Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I drew this piece. This is a time-lapse video, so you can slow it down and watch it at your own pace. That being said, let's stop talking and roll the intro.
So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye.
Not really trying to date right now. Still trying to figure my own life out. And I don't wanna love anybody else till I learn how to fall in love with myself. Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure. So how do I learn what I'm worth?